She had both feet on the thing.
Your last couple of videos, have you just sent them to like us? You didn't put them on Bird Chat, did you?
Look at her.
Nala. So that's how she gets her tail. She pulls it back, gets her legs through, kind of like undressing she's doing. Yeah, I was right. Look, she's lifting up her leg.
Yeah. It's pretty neat.
Can you see it?
People.
Is he getting you, Layla? Look, he's getting you. He's getting you. He's chasing her.
Few hours ago that really made these numbers rise. In fact, especially in the southwest portion, say Naples down towards Key Largo, we're talking 10 to 15 feet. Miami down towards Key West, 10 feet. Even around
Get him.
What? Kenzie, you have something going on? Are you going to have babies? You are? When are you going to have babies?
Oh, shit. That's it. Good job. That's it, Goops. Good job.
Have you ever seen a hamster so fat that he can't turn over? Oh.